What's up, guys? I'm back. I'm doing the video that I said I was going to do for showing you how to install custom recovery on your Galaxy S5. So let's just jump right into it. And if you already have rooted, then you should already have Odin downloaded, which is what you're going to need for this. You're also going to need to download the custom recovery file that you want to use. I'll post a link in the description, but you can use the twerp recovery, which is what I recommend. Which, let me zoom in for you so you can actually see what I'm talking about. Twerp recovery. There's the Feels Touch recovery, and then there's the Clockwork mod recovery. I prefer the twerp. It's just a little easier. The touch display is a whole lot better on this than it is on the other two. But alright, I'll post a link in the description so you can download whichever one that you want, and the installation is going to be exactly the same for any one of these stock recoveries. It doesn't matter. Alright, so let's just jump right in and show you what I'm talking about. Alright, so you're going to need to open Odin, which is Odin 3 version 3.07, which is what we use to actually root the Galaxy S5. Open that up. It's going to bring you back to the screen. It's going to be the same thing that you used, like same screen you've seen whenever you rooted your device. Again, you're going to check PDA, click PDA, and then you're going to find your file. It'll be your custom recovery. It's going to be a zip file, I'm pretty sure. Mine should be in downloads. So let's open up downloads. There it is. Open recovery. Twerp. Make sure you download the right one for your device too, or else it's not going to work and it's going to screw up your device and you have to reinstall another recovery, or possibly even have to restore your device and then try again. Okay, there it is. I put the file into PDA, so that's good to go. And what you're going to do is you're going to hook your device up just like before. Give me 1 second. Plug mine up. Alright, device is plugged up, power it off, and then you're going to put it into download mode, just like we did before to root the device. Hold the volume down, home button, and the power button. Let me zoom out so you can see the combo. Alright, volume down, home, and power button all at the same time to put you into download mode. There you go, download mode. You're going to click up to continue. You'll see Odin mode just like before, which is what you need. Alright, let's get back to the computer. You can just put your device down for now. And you're just going to go click on start. And this is all it's going to say. It's just going to look like that there. It's going to run those files. You're going to see the recovery. And it's going to reset. It's going to restart the device. And when it boots up, it should have the custom recovery. It's not going to boot into the custom recovery, I don't believe. You actually have to do that yourself, which I'll show you how to get to that as well. Just let the device turn on. Alright. So there you go, device is back on. And let's see if we can get into the, hold on. Let's let it update the system. It should say passed on the screen, just like it did before, I believe. I can't really remember. But right now it says reset. Computer should recognize the device. On your phone, there'll be something that pops up right up top here, and it says system update. Just wait for that to finish. It's not actually doing a system update, it's just running the recovery. Just let that finish. Alright, and it should be about finished. Alright. Okay. Let's see, go into super user, make sure there's nothing going on with that. Alright, let's boot the device off, and we'll try and see if we can boot into the custom recovery now. Turn the device off. If not, it's always just good to restart it anyway. It'll kind of refresh everything. There you go, you got the pass on the screen. Just take these exact steps that I'm doing and you should be fine. Alright, phone's off. To get into the bootloader, custom recovery, you're going to hold the volume up, home button, and power button all at the same time. Go ahead and do that now. There you go, team win. That's the twerp recovery. Let's give it a second, and there you go. And the first thing you're going to want to do as soon as you boot this up, as soon as you boot up your recovery like this, I'm not going to do it. I already have a backup to the computer, which I always do. But what you're going to want to do is you're going to go into backup, which is, this is creating your NANDROID backup. You're going to click backup, and you're going to make sure boot, recovery, and system. Boot, recovery, and system are all X'd off, and which is the X in the box is just checking them to make sure that they're all ready. And then you're going to just swipe across. When you swipe across, that's going to create your backup, and then it's going to bring you back. It'll say finished or whatever, reboot device, and then you're just going to click on reboot and then reboot system. 1 second, it should boot back up. And that's just showing your recovery. And I'll boot back into it one more time just to show you what you would do to install a custom ROM. I'm not going to install a custom ROM at this time, but I'm just going to show you what to do whenever you do decide to do that, because most people, whenever they root their device, it's because they want to install a custom ROM. You can make it a lot faster, or pretty much do whatever you want with it with a custom ROM. Alright, now the device is off. Make the same steps. Hold the volume up, home button, power button. Should boot into recovery. There you go. It's booting into recovery. Don't worry about that stuff up there. It's going to pop up every single time you go into recovery mode. Alright, to install a custom ROM, first thing you're going to want to do is you make sure that you have that backup. That's the first thing you need to do as soon as you install custom recovery. You're going to go into this. You're going to click on, and make sure your recoveries, your backup is installed onto SD card, not the internal storage, because if it's installed on internal storage and something does go wrong, your device might say storage decrypt or encrypted or whatever, which means you're not going to be able to get it back, and you're going to lose everything, including your backup, and you're going to have to go through the whole process of restoring your phone, then rerouting it, then reinstalling the custom recovery, and anything that you've downloaded is going to be gone, pictures or anything like that. Alright, to install your custom ROM, first thing you're going to have to do is wipe, and then you're going to click on advanced, and you're going to make sure Delta cache, system cache, and data are all checked. Okay? And then you're going to swipe, and what that's going to do is just going to wipe out all the data that's on your phone. It's going to wipe out your should wipe out all your user data, and then it's going to allow you to install your ROM. And to install your ROM, you're going to go to install, and then you're going to go to wherever you have it in, like downloaded or stored at. Like mine would have been on the micro SD card, so you would have clicked on micro SD right here, micro SD, and then click OK. And you just swipe through till you find it, click on it, and then once it pops up, it's going to say like something, probably just asking for you to install it, and then you'll just click yes. And that's pretty much it, guys. You have to run through the installation of whatever the ROM is. Most of the ROMs have a allow you to select the apps and stuff that you want to install or you want to uninstall. That way you can make it as lightweight as possible. But that's about it. I'm gonna do another video showing you how to unroot your device, and just keep an eye out. That should be up sometime tomorrow. But thanks for watching, guys. If this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe, and see you guys on the next one. Thanks. Peace.